What you want? You're gonna crush them all. Puppy, you're messing up all the cheeses. Hey, what you want? You want another one? Whoa, hold on. Oh, I can't get it out of there. You have to back up. Back up. I'm going to get you one. Help me out. Was that good? What? That's not very nice. I may have mine. You got yours. What?
Maggie, sit. Sit. Hey. Sit. No.
Sit down. Hey. Sit.
Hey.
Hey, that's not nice.
Sit.
You want kisses? You sneaky little wench.
Maggie, what you want?
What you want? There's a good girl. Hey. You're holding on to the box. I can't get in there when you're holding on to it. Good. These are mine, not yours.
Hey. What you want, Maggie?
Okay. No. Puppy, stop standing on the box. What you want?
She biting the box now?
Yeah.
She's gonna tear that thing apart. You should take the Cheez-Its out and just give her the box. She said, no, I know where they are.
What you want? I gotta put them back in. She's gonna make the bag. What is this? What am I, a chair for you now?
Oh, she's got the bag.
Puppy, you're a smart little cookie. So wait a minute, you got cookies in there too, boy? Let me see. What you want? There's pieces off my box making a mess. What you want?
What you want, puppy? She always took yours.
That's a good girl. Yeah, you don't get any more. No, you don't get any more. No.
What you want, puppy?
You had enough. You had enough. No.
What you want?
Stop. No barking.
One more tiny little piece. What you want, puppy?
What do you want?